2 consecutive eclipses are approaching, and you should not miss these thrilling celestial occurrences. The first one will be an annual or solar eclipse on October 14, 2023, sweeping across North America, Central America, and most of South America. This eclipse will be visible from the United States after an almost 11-year hiatus. The second event will be a partial lunar eclipse, observable from various regions including parts of Asia, Russia, Africa, Europe, Antarctica, and Oceania. In this video, you will find comprehensive information on how to observe these upcoming eclipses and witness the 2 most captivating moments during an annular eclipse, the Ring of Fire and Baily's Beads. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all astronomical events. An annular or solar eclipse occurs when the moon covers the central part of the sun, leaving behind a radiant ring, often referred to as the Ring of Fire. This striking visual spectacle results from a unique alignment of the Earth, Moon, and Sun. Unlike a total solar eclipse, where the moon completely obscures the sun and plunges the day into momentary darkness, an annular eclipse occurs when the apparent size of the moon is slightly smaller than that of the sun. This size difference is due to the elliptical shape of the moon's orbit around Earth. When the moon is near its apogee, or the farthest point from Earth, its apparent size diminishes from our perspective, creating the conditions for an annular eclipse if the alignment is just right. This phenomenon serves as a reminder of the intricacies and vastness of the cosmos, as even minor alterations in the distances or sizes of celestial bodies would drastically change the outcome. Observers within the narrow path of the annular eclipse will witness the mesmerizing Ring of Fire, while those outside this path will experience a partial solar eclipse. Another notable feature of a solar eclipse is Baily's Beads. During an annular or total solar eclipse, just before the moon completely covers the sun, or as it starts to move away, the moon's rugged topography plays a captivating role. The mountains, valleys, and craters on the moon's surface cause sunlight to filter through in specific areas, creating a dazzling effect known as Baily's Beads. These appear as beads of light around the edge of the moon, a phenomenon named after Francis Baily, the British astronomer who first described it in 1836. These beads of light manifest due to the irregularities on the moon's edge, allowing sunlight to pass through gaps. The most prominent of these beads, often called the diamond ring, occurs when only one bead remains as a bright point of light next to the shimmering corona of the sun. This spectacle closely resembles a diamond ring and is a breathtaking sight for eclipse observers. While the solar eclipse on October 14 will be visible from the entire United States, only 8 states within the U.S. will have the opportunity to witness the Ring of Fire. This radiant circle will be visible within a path about 125 miles or 200 kilometers wide, spanning from the northwest U.S. through Central America to Brazil. If you are located in southern Oregon, northeastern California, northern Nevada, southern Utah, southwest Colorado, northeastern Arizona, New Mexico, or Texas, you'll have the best view of this spectacular event. To observe the Ring of Fire at its fullest, positioning yourself along the center line of the eclipse path is recommended. In the U.S., the longest duration for which the Ring of Fire will be visible is approximately 4 minutes and 52 seconds along the Texas coast. However, if you seek an even more remarkable and rare experience, you can choose to step away from the center line of the path, allowing you to witness a lopsided annulus and the mesmerizing Baily's Beads. To see Baily's Beads, you must position yourself near the edge of the eclipse path. While it is possible to view Baily's Beads at the center line, it will be only a brief sighting. It is along the path's edge where you can observe these beds accelerating and decelerating for several minutes before and after maximum coverage, known as the grazing zone. While conventional eclipse maps depict straight edges for the eclipse path, the actual shape is uneven due to the moon's rugged surface. Modern high-definition data from NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, or LRO, aids eclipse mapmakers in identifying the grazing zone on Earth, which spans approximately 3 kilometers. The annular eclipse's path will commence in Oregon at 9:13 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time and conclude in Texas at 12:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The eclipse will then traverse over Mexico, Belize, Guatemala, Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Panama, Colombia, and Brazil. At the moment of maximum annular eclipse, the moon will cover 91% of the solar disk. It is imperative to use proper safety equipment while observing the eclipse, as looking at it with unaided eyes can cause damage to your eyes. An eclipse is never an isolated event. It is always followed by another eclipse approximately 2 weeks later. On Saturday, October 28, 2023, a partial lunar eclipse will grace the night skies. This event will be visible from Asia, Russia, Africa, Europe, Antarctica, and Oceania. The eclipse is set to commence at 7:36 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time and conclude at 8:53 p.m. In India, the eclipse will begin at 1:06 a.m. on October 29 and end at 2:23 a.m. It will be a relatively short eclipse, lasting for about 75 minutes. The peak of the eclipse will occur at 1:45 a.m. IST when 12% of the moon's disk will be in shadow. In addition to the eclipses, the Oriented meteor shower is another exciting astronomical event to look forward to in October. This meteor shower is produced by debris left behind by Comet Halley, which orbits the Sun every 76 years. The Orionids are active from September 26 to November 22, with the peak typically occurring on October 21 or 22. In 2023, the Oriented meteor shower is expected to peak on the morning of October 22. During the shower's peak, observers can anticipate seeing up to 20 meteors per hour under ideal viewing conditions. However, the actual number of meteors visible will depend on factors such as the darkness of the sky, the level of light pollution, and the elevation of your viewing location. The Oriented meteor shower is best observed from the northern hemisphere, but can also be seen from the southern hemisphere. The radiant point of the shower is located in the constellation Orion, so the optimal time to view it is after midnight when Orion is high in the sky. To watch the Oriented meteor shower, simply find a dark location away from city lights, lie down on your back, and allow your eyes to adjust to the darkness for approximately 30 minutes. Once your eyes have adapted, you should be able to see meteors streaking across the sky. In conclusion, get ready for some celestial excitement in October 2023. With 2 back-to-back eclipses and the Oriented meteor shower, the night skies will be a treasure trove of astronomical wonders. Whether you're an experienced stargazer or a novice skywatcher, these upcoming events provide a perfect opportunity to connect with the cosmos and deepen your appreciation for the beauty of our universe. So mark your calendars, prepare your telescopes, and join us in exploring the majesty of the cosmos. Now, here's a question to engage you, our valued viewers. Have you ever witnessed a solar eclipse, a lunar eclipse, or a meteor shower? Share your insights and opinions. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting updates about lunar discoveries and the future of space exploration. Remember, as we venture into the universe, the sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning. Keep looking up.